Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So, we are here for grade 2 maths. So, you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then, you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 2, and then click on view all lessons. So, there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter estimation and rounding, and the lessons are round to the nearest 10. Round to the nearest 10 or 100, then we'll do the final test of the chapter. We're going to start the new chapter that is money, and the lessons are names and values of common coins. Got it? So let's just start with the lesson round to the nearest 10. So here we are on grade 2 maths. The chapter is estimation and rounding. Let's just start with the lesson round to the nearest 10. Okay, what is 18 rounded to the nearest 10? Got it? So you have to write find a digit first find the digit in the tens place. Basically, you have to look for the digit. 8 is at the digit that is at the ones place. Then now let's look at the digit that is at the left side of the 8. Got it? That would be 1. So you have to compare. Now look at the one place right you have 8. 8 is greater than 5. So you have to round up. Got it? Round up means you have to replace all the digits to the right of the tens by 0, and it would be add 1 to the other part of the number. So it would be then 20 is rounded off to 20. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions so that we can do the practice questions. Okay, what is 54 rounded to the nearest 10? Okay, so you have 54. You have to round 54 to the nearest. Okay, so the 5 is at the 10th position. Got it? Just look at the right hand side of the 5. You have 4 here. Compare this digit to 5. Got it? 4 is greater than 5 or less than 5? 4 is less than 5. Because it is less than 5, so you have to round on the same 10. Write 5 as it is and replace the other digit with 0. So 54 is rounded off to 50. Got it? So the correct option is 50. Okay, what is 85 rounded to the nearest 10? You have to round off 85. Got it? So the digit that is at the 10th position is 8. So just look at the right hand side of the 8. So here you have 5. You have to compare this digit to 5. So 5 is equal to 5. In case when the both digits are equal, you have to round up. Round up means you have to add 1 to the digit that is at the 10th position, and you have to write it the 0. So it would be rounded off to 90. Got it? Okay, we're working on grade 2 maths. Chapter we're working on is place values, and the lessons we're working on is round to the nearest 10. Basically, we're working on the rounding and estimation. The chapter is rounding and estimation, and the lesson we're working on is round to the nearest 10. So it would be rounded off to 90. Okay, the next one is what is 41 rounded to the nearest 10? So you have the next one is 41. Got it? So the digit that is at the 10th position is 4. So just look at the digit that is on the right hand side of the 10th digit. It would be 1. Compare this digit to 5. 1 is less than 5. Got it? That means you have to round up. Round up means add 1 to the digit that is at the 10th position and replace the 0. So it would be rounded off to 40 because 1 is less than 5. Got it? So 41 is rounded off to 40. Got it? So the correct option here is 40. Okay, what is 23 rounded to the nearest 10? So the digit that is at the 10th position is 2. Got it? Look at the digit that is at the right hand side. Right hand side, you have 3. Compare 3 to 5. 3 is less than 5. Got it? That means you have to round on the same digit. Got it? Add 1 to the digit that is at the 10th position. It would be new. You don't need to add. You have to round on the same digit. So it would be rounded off to 2 and replace the ones digit with 0. So it would be rounded off to 20. Got it? So the correct option is 20. Okay, what is 71 rounded to the nearest 10? Which is the correct option? Okay, we have 71. Yes, 71 is rounded off to 70. Got it? Just look at the whiteboard how 7 is a digit that is at the ones position, that is at the 10th position. Here you have 1. 1 is less than 5. So when the number is less than 5, you have to round on the same digit. So it would be 7 and replace the ones digit with 0. So it would be 70. So the correct option is 70. Got it? Okay, what is 72 rounded to the nearest 10? Be quick. So 72 is rounded to, yes, it is rounded off to 70. Got it? Mm, what do you mean by what? Okay, what is 31 rounded to the nearest 10? So which is the correct option? Be quick. 31 is rounded off to, 31 is rounded off to, yes, 31 is rounded to 30. Got it? No, not 40. How? 31 is rounded to 30. Yes, 31 is rounded to 30. What do you mean by what? You have to write down a complete question. I don't know what you're asking. Just write down the complete question. 31. 3 is at the tens position. The digit at the right hand side is 1. 1 is less than 5. Got it? That means you have to round on the same 10. So it would be 3 and 0. So 31 is rounded to 30. Okay, the next one is 76. 76 is rounded to nearest 10. So 7 is at the 10th position. Got it? So on the right hand side, you have 6. Compare this 6 to 5. So 6 is greater than 5, less than 5. 6 is greater than 5, so you have to round on the, you have to round up, you have to add 1 to 7 and replace 6 with 0, so it would be rounded off to 80. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Got it? The next lesson is round to nearest 10 or 100. Got it? Now we have learned how to round to the nearest 10. Now we're going to learn how to round to the nearest 100. Got it? Okay, the first example is what is 626 rounded to the nearest 10. So we have 26. We need to see which 10 26 is rounded off to. So here you have 26. Got it? So the digit that is at the 10th position is 2. Got it? Just look at the right hand side of the 2. You have 6. You need to compare this 6 to 5. So 6 is greater than 5, less than 5. So 6 is greater than 5. That means you have to round up, add 1 to 2. To 2 plus 1 is 3. And replace the ones digit with 0. So it would be rounded off to 30. No, I beat. Don't worry. That's not you. I'm not asking to you. That's the one who just write down the messages like what I am asking her, not you. Okay, the next one is what is 841 rounded to the nearest 100. Got it? 841. 841 is the digit and you have to round to the nearest 100. Got it? So just look at the 100 position because you have to round to the 100. So just look at the digit that is at the 100 position. So 8 is the digit that is at the 100th position, isn't it? Okay, just look at the very right to the 100. Got it? You have 4. Compare it to 5. 4 is less than 5 or greater than 5? 4 is less than 5. Got it? That means you have to round on the same 100. You write 8 as it is and replace the other two digits with 0. So it would be rounded off to 800. Got it? Whenever you are asked to round off a digit to the nearest 100, just look at the hundreds digit. Hundreds digit is 8. Just look at the digit that is at the right hand side of the 100 position. Compare the digit to 5. If the number is greater than 5, that means you have to round up. If the number is less than 5, that means you have to round on the same 100. Got it? Just replace the other digits with 0. So okay, the next one is what is 621 rounded to the nearest 100? Okay, 621. So which digit is at the hundreds position? 6 is at the hundreds position. Got it? Just look at the right hand side of the 6. You have 2 here. Compare this 2 to 5. So 2 is less than 5. That means you have to round on the same 100. So here you have 6 and replace the other two digits with 0. So it would be 600. Very good. So let's just start with the test questions. If you already know the answers, just write down the answer in the chat box. Got it? Okay, what is 252 rounded to the nearest 100? So which is the correct option? 252 is rounded to 200. No, it is rounded to 300. Look how 252 2 is at the 100 position. Got it? This one. And the very next number is 5. You have to compare this digit to 5. So 5 is equal to 5. Got it? They both are exactly equal. So when 5 is equal to 5, then in this case you have to round up. Round up means add 1 to the digit that is at the 100 position. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So it would be rounded off to 300. Got it? If the number is equal to 5 or greater than 5, you have to round up. Okay, what is 76? What is 76 rounded to nearest 10? So which is the correct option? Be careful while rounding. 76 is rounded to which 10? Yes, it is rounded off to 80. Very good. Okay, what is 593 rounded to the nearest 100? So which is the correct option? - 593 is rounded off to very good 600. The correct option is 600. Okay, what is 161 rounded to the nearest 10? Which is the correct option? To nearest 10, not to nearest 100. So just look at the digit that is at the tens position. Got it? So in the tens you have 6. 6 is at the 10th position. Got it? Just move, look at the right, you have 5. You have 1. 1 is less than 5. Got it? That means you have 1 is greater than 1 is less than 5. That means you have to round on the same 10. So it would be rounded off to 160. Got it? It would be rounded to 160, not 170. Okay, you have 485. You have to round to the nearest 100. So which is the correct option? 485 rounded to the nearest 100, which is the correct option. Yes, it would be rounded off to 500. Very good. What is 22 rounded to the nearest 10? 22 is rounded to 20. Very good. What is 898 rounded to the nearest 100? Yes, it would be rounded off to 900. Very good. What is 58 rounded to nearest 10, which is the correct option? It would be rounded off to 60. Got it? What is 841 rounded to the nearest 100? 6000. What is 841 rounded to the nearest 100, which is the correct option? Yes, 841 is rounded off to 800. Excuse me. What is 24 rounded to the nearest 10? So 24 is rounded off to 20. What is 676 rounded to the nearest 100? So which is the correct option? Yes, it would be rounded off to 700. Got it. 676 is rounded off to 700. Yes, hi. Hi, Gurteej. Okay, what is 17 rounded to the nearest 10? So which is the correct option? 17 is rounded off to 20. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So if you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? We are done with the chapter estimation and rounding. You have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today so that you can do the final test of the chapter. Got it? I can't because my lessons are not completed. I haven't completed all the test questions. Got it? So let's start with the next lesson. And the next lesson is money. Okay, let's just start with the first lesson, that is names and values of common coins. So here you are given with the coins. You just have to understand what coin is this and what is the worth of the coins. Got it? So you can see this coin. Here is the coin front side and here is the coin back side. Got it? This is nickel and it is worth 5 penny. Got it? That means the coin is nickel and it worth 5 penny. Got it? You have to memorize this. Just look at the coins and keep this in your mind that nickel is just 5 penny worth. Got it? Which coin is this? Yes, that is nickel and it worth 5 penny. Got it? Okay, here we have another coin. The smaller coin, it would be dime and it is worth 10 penny. Got it? It is smaller than the nickel. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, which coin is this? Dime, penny, or nickel? That would be dime. Got it? That coin is the dime. Oh, that is penny. Got it? I am not sure about these coins. So this one is penny, so and the penny is worth one. Got it? One penny. Okay, how much is the coin worth? 5 cent, 10 cent, and 25 cent. I am just guessing the answer. It would be 10 cent. Probably. Oh, that is 25 cent. Oh, this is a quarter and the other sides look like this. That would be the quarter. Got it? You can keep in mind these coins. That would be the quarter and it worth 25 cents. Got it? So it would be the quarter. Okay, which coin is this? Dime, quarter, or nickel? This is dime. Yes, this is dime. How much is the coin worth? Which coin is this and what is the worth of the coin? That would be, mm, I think that would be 0.05. Got it? Yes, that would be 0.05. Which coin is this? Dime, quarter, or penny? It would be, which one is it? Dime, quarter, penny? Who knows the answer? It is the quarter, probably. No, that would be dime. Got it. Which coin is this? Quarter, penny, and nickel? This one is nickel. Which coin is this? Quarter, nickel, dimes. That is the quarter. Okay, which coin is this? Nickel, dime, penny. It would be dime. Oh, that is penny. Okay, how much worth is the coin? I think it would be dime and it is just 1 cent. Oh, that is 10 cents. And let's see, it is dime and dime is 10 cents. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So, we're working on grade 2 maths. Chapter we're working on is estimation and rounding. Lessons we have covered today are round to the nearest 10. Around to the nearest 10 or 100. We haven't did the final test. Then we started the new chapter money, and the first lesson is names and values of common coins. Got it? Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. If you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? If you have any question, you can ask. I am here for to answer all your questions. No questions? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.